apart from focusing on ROI, there are a bunch of other things organisations might want to think about when they're managing change around this subject. It's whether or not you wanted to make a huge transformational change or just an incremental improvement. Now, that often depends on the appetite within the organisation. There could be lots of other things happening in parallel within the organisation. They may not be ready. So it's really understanding, having a bit of EQ, if you like, around where the organisation's at. Creating that case for change when we spoke about ROI, and really understanding the motivations of your business. So for some organisations that are less mature, it might be a focus on compliance and risk. For others, it might be a little bit more mature. It might be focusing on high performance. If you're trying to sell it to a CFO, it might be all about the numbers. If it's the head of people, it could be all around engagement and building performance of people. So really understanding your audience. We spoke a fair bit last week around identifying where the risk is. So then you can really be clear on the case for change